MoveReal and MoveUnsigned integer is R blocks from Signal sublibrary. It has the same functionality but with different data type, and the functionality is really easy. So in case that the input signal is enabled, so it transfers the input to the output, and it holds the output value till there is other change on the input during that time that enable is active. So for example, if I put there 5, so nothing is transferred to the output, but now the signal is transferred. So everything which is here during the time that it's enabled, so it's transferred to the output. In case that the input enable is not true anymore, then even when I change the input to whatever, so the output remains in the last valid position which was during that time that enable was in a true state. The output can be changed again only when the input enable is again in true state, as you can see. For example, like that. We can use it, for example, if we have some conditions and those conditions are valid, so only during that time that those conditions are valid, enable input is active and the input is transferred to the output. And it's the same for MoveReal and MoveUnsigned integer block. So there is just different data type on input. That's it.